Hey foodies, and welcome to another Zoe Eats Mukbang. Guess what we've got tonight? Takeaway night, and it's Papa John's. I'm hoping that captures the thumbnail. I can't wait. We've got some barbecue pizza, we've got some sausage and pepperoni, we've got some jalapeno poppers, and I forget what else. Oh, some tater tots. Look at those bad boys. Num 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 num. I'll be back. We're just gonna stick. Ta-da! Look, we have pizza. Pizza is the best. Yeah, from Papa John's. And I was moving it because it was in the way of the camera. Patrick in the building. I'll put his Instagram up. Let's get to eating because I'm absolutely starving. Has to be the special garlic sauce. Got to dip it in. Would you like me to fetch the barbecue sauce for you?
Nah, but alright.
Okay.
The only garlic sauce is good is Domino's.
Really?
Yeah.
Blasphemy. We're doing a...
Yeah, but Domino's is like...
Look. Garlic bread.
Garlic bread?
I think it's going to be a reoccurring thing. Be turned into a meme. Now, you guys are going to think I'm weird. I love jalapeno poppers. But I take the jalapeno out.
It hot.
Dip it in the garlic. This is a treat for us. We're cutting back on the takeaway food.
It needs to be done. Too much of it in the last year.
But I've had a heck of a busy day today. So I couldn't be bothered to cook. So this is why we have this. Good?
Oh yeah.
On my pizza, I've got sausage and pepperoni. And yours is?
Get some sausage, pepperoni, ham, bit of meatball, barbecue sauce. Just like a meaty barbecue one, really. It's good stuff, though.
Barbecue.
Now, before we forget, someone asked us if we could have a personal chef.
Oh yeah.
Would we help out, or would we lay back and enjoy it? Me personally, I'll lay back and just...
Shout out to Erin for that.
Yeah, thank you,
One of my
Erin, for
little
that
foodies.
question. If I had a personal chef personally, I'd sit in there and just feet up, watch TV. Dinner, please. Yeah, some of that, please. Thank you.
Who would it be though?
Heston, I can't pronounce his last name.
Blumenthal.
Heston Blumenthal, just for his mad creations, like it'll come in with like a glass like that, but it'll be something inside it, you know, like a glass of something, but it'll be amazing. You know, he built a pub out of pies.
You built a what?
A pub.
An actual pub?
Yeah, a working pub in the back of some bloke's garden out of pies, like steak, kidney pies, meat pies.
Really?
Out of actual pies with beer.
Isn't he the guy that created bacon ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
He is absolutely nuts. Like, the bloke has just lost it. But he made like Willy Wonka stuff come to reality. Giant sweets.
Amazing.
Who would you go for though?
I would go for... It's tough because there's so many chefs out there that I love. Gordon Ramsay.
It'd be quite good, I reckon.
Or Gino D'Acampo. Just for his hilarity.
If my grandmother had wheels,
she'd have been a bake.
If he had a bit of ham, it's like a British carbonara. The look on his face.
If you don't know what we're talking about, Google
it.
Gino D'Acampo. I'll flash up his name.
Oh, brilliant. Honestly, go on YouTube,
In the
type it
edits.
in. Gino D'Acampo. Grandmother had wheels. Watch it. It's brilliant. He's the funniest bloke ever. The reaction on his face. They was eating a nice carbonara. And the presenters went, oh, it's just like a, you know, add ham, it's a British carbonara. And the shock on his face. And the reaction was brilliant. He goes, that's like saying if my grandmother had wheels, she would do in a bag. It's just brilliant. Brilliant comeback for him. I reckon Gordon Ramsay would be good though. He does make some beautiful food. I'll type Gordon Ramsay if you're watching this, my man. I've got you, mate.
By the way, we're not sponsored by Papa John's at all. This is just treat night. Because I was being lazy after a busy day. Well, I nearly said the A-double-S word.
You can say if I know.
I don't know. Probably.
What else?
Now we can.
Yeah, that's not exactly a swear word.
Oh.
It's still a friendly sort of thing. Oh, these tater tots are wicked, man.
Tater tots.
Tater tots, sort of same thing. Same thing.
How's your week going so far, guys? Let us know in the comments. Down below. Thank you, Erin, again, for your question. It was a good one. When I read the comment, I was like, oh, that's a really good question.
Mm. It does make you think though, doesn't it? Like, there's so many good chefs out. You look at their food going, ooh.
Mm-hmm. It's tater tots.
They are good. I couldn't have Jamie Oliver though.
Oh, he really annoyed me.
It was not the fact that he'd annoy me, it's just everything's salad. Oh, I'm going to cook this wicked dinner up tonight, it's a really good meal. Salad. Right. Get Ramsay around, slap a steak on the plate, you know, nice bit of meat, tender. My man.
This pizza's so good, I'm going to give you guys the next bite of this slice. Because it's nice. It's actually really good tonight. Not too... I love it when it turns up hot. What's your excuse me, your go-to pizza place, guys? Domino's, Pizza Hut, Papa John's? Your own ones around there?
What have you guys got around your area that you like? Me personally, used to love Domino's. Hot dog stuffed crust Domino's. Oh, it was the best.
And then it turned up and it was
Oh,
horrid.
it was horrible.
And it put us off.
Yeah. The cheese was burnt. It was just everything was burnt. It was all black and it's like I cooked it once in there, fair enough, and then put it back through again. It's all just gone crispy. Like the cheese was crunchy, and I'm like. But what I noticed the most was we rang up, explained to him the cheese is burnt. You know, it was disgusting. And the bloke on the phone was determined. Nah, can't be happening. Nah, it wasn't us.
Oh.
You must have reheated it.
That cheese.
Oh, that's some good old cheese. Look at that.
That cheese though, that is blooming hot.
But in the end, they bought us to us on a fresh pizza. Or what? I said, no, I just want my money back, you know.
You've got to complain if it's not right. You pay for a product.
Whether the pain is a claim.
Papa John's has never done us wrong, really. It's definitely got better with age.
Do you know?
Look at it. Oh, I'm drip it.
Do you know? I'd never had Papa John's until I met you.
Really?
Yeah, it's never really interested me. We never got it.
Guys.
Where we're from.
Have a bite. Excuse my nails, they need repainting. Look at that. All that meat on there. I'm going to have to do homemade pizzas. One Alfredo or something like that. So it's one white pizza and one meaty one.
What do you mean by white?
Instead of having the tomato sauce base or barbecue base, it's like a white sauce base.
Yeah.
Cheesy goodness.
Never heard of that, but yeah. It's like vegetarians. I feel so sorry for you guys. I've got nothing wrong with you. Fair play, everyone's their own. But I love a good steak.
Oh.
I love a meaty pizza. See, a friend of mine, he's a vegetarian. And he'll sit there with a veggies like pizza, and I'm like, what is
Vegan.
that?
Vegan, he is. But did you not taste the vegan cheese?
No, not what you're thinking of.
Oh, okay. Who I'm thinking of? Vegan cheese on the pizza that they had here that time. I would actually eat that, no problem.
Oh, really? Oh no, my mate will sit there with like a full veggie pizza. I'm looking at it like, what? You don't know what you're missing out, mate.
Yeah, but you're not a fan of vegetables anyway, so you're
I
going to hate.
like peppers. I like my peppers and stuff like that. But I mean, no, I'm talking just like what are they called? Olives and all that. Like,
Oh,
like,
no, you don't like olives.
No.
Olives are not the one. You're going to take the jalapeno out as well?
Done that already.
That was so spicy, so spicy, so spicy. Oh, right at the back of my throat. So, I am patiently waiting for B Love's sauce to come out here on Amazon in the UK. Because I am determined to do a seafood boil. But I only really want to do my first seafood boil with her sauce. Because...
What sauce?
Oh, B Love's life. She created her own sauce for her seafood. So it's like a butter sauce, but it's loads of different ingredients in it, and it just looks yummy.
Fair enough.
And everybody that tries it on her channel loves it.
Yeah.
And there's been a couple of people that have said in other videos that they've tried it with her, that they would never go back to normal sauces like that you get from the crab places out there.
Oh, really?
They always crave B Love sauce, so I can't wait to try it. So B Love, if you're watching, which you're probably not, please, please, please get it in the UK. Anybody else fold their pizza?
See what it says, isn't there?
Oh.
It says Dell. All I see is Dell and Tots. I thought it said Trotters. I was like, eh? So I got a Dell bowl in the air. Rock money.
Oh my God.
That reminds me of your dad. Every time my dad comes down, he'll be telling me about something he used to do. I'm like, during the war. You know,
Only Fools and Horses.
can't beat it.
A lot of my subscribers are Americans. They probably won't know what that is, but you need to. If you like British sitcoms,
If you want a good laugh, just YouTube or try and watch it online.
or if you like
Only Fools and Horses.
proper London accent, like proper Londoners.
Proper old school. Geezer. Wants to be a millionaire.
Geezer.
Geezer. It's a real good laugh.
Don't we all want to be millionaires? Bloody hell! Their jalapenos are spicy tonight. So, I went food shopping today. I hate it. Morrison's are doing these new sauces. I'm going to wait till they're on offer because they are quite expensive. But there's a Chipotle smoky barbecue sauce, which is going to be spicy. And then there's a smokehouse ketchup, roasted red pepper ketchup, and there was another one, but I forget what it is.
Right. Got a little idea, guys.
Again,
Just pinged them
we
in.
haven't done any of the others yet.
Let's spice up the video a bit tonight, okay? Got a good idea.
I'm
Do you,
scared.
do you trust me? Close
How
your
do
eyes.
I answer
Right,
that?
close what you're eating. Close your eyes and open your mouth. And you've got to trust me to pick something on the table to give you.
Well, we're nearly... You're going to put jalapeno in my mouth, I know you are. Okay, go on then.
Right, close your eyes. You have to eat, okay?
I have to eat it.
Open your mouth. Right, eat. Go. Eat.
Oh, you... We used to be friends. Oh,
That's two.
I can't.
Two jalapenos. No,
I
come-
can't.
Do
I
it.
can't.
Come on, do it for the viewers. Do it for the viewers. Properly stitched up there. Is that alright, though? You okay? Look a bit hot and flustered there, though.
Okay, buddy, you wait. You just wait. I'm gonna get you back.
We'll see.
I will. We're gonna do a blindfolded challenge.
Oh, God. Do you remember that advert with the bloke? He was getting all romantic with his missus, and I'm getting the food out
My
the fridge.
tongue is on fire.
And he's feeding her, and she's all like, "Oh, this is nice, you know." Feeding nice fruits and strawberries.
Oh yeah.
So it's her turn, and she's sat there on his lap eating a muller corner, like a yoghurt, just like, and he's like, for ages, and she's like, "Oh," and he's going, "What?" Blindfolded.
You know, you said before you did that. Do you trust me? Not now.
Yeah, you do. Do you trust me?
No. You can sod off. We're no longer friends.
Stitched up. Keep your eye out, guys, because there'll be little things like that coming up soon. I'll be dropping like little things on the plate, like a bit of hot sauce, you know.
Okay,
mix
honey,
it in.
remember who cooks your dinner. You wouldn't know cat food from steak meat.
I'll be eating just all the
Just
time.
remember that.
I'll still eat him, but oh, sweet as. Bit of jello and that's right.
Disgusting. See, I'm really strange. Like, if they're not too hot, I can eat jalapenos. Like on nachos, I have to fancy them, or I have to be in the mood for them. But some people like that sound. That's why I was being quiet.
Hello.
But stop fizzing. Oh, my mouth is still hot. Yeah, as I was saying, it's lashing it down with rain here. We've got a bit of a storm. I have to be in the mood for jalapenos. Like I can eat them, not like that, 2 at a time.
What exactly is in there?
Cream cheese.
So I can eat in these? Normally, well, no.
You're not eating the jalapeno. You're picking them out.
No, the cream cheese.
Well, you don't like cream cheese normally?
No.
Oh.
God, shut with me all the time again. You're lucky then. I was eyeing up that cream cheese and the side of your face going, I could just...
Guess we'd be sleeping in the shed tonight.
Wicked. Chill with the spiders.
Oh no, spiders and no.
Zoe loves spiders, so a good friend of mine's got a big tarantula. So videos could get very interesting one night. I'd love to see your face looking at the camera and see his tarantula at the wall.
I'd be off. See you later, guys. Bye.
Hilarious. That would make the video 10 times better. Watching you run.
And then there'd be no more Patrick on Zoe Eats Mukbangs. Because he'd be buried in the garden. I hope the FBI don't watch this.
Here's a little thing for you guys, right? So I put my big boy pants on the other day. Finally, obviously I'm 28. Took life insurance out. So I was speaking to the bloke nicely. You know, I said, well, and he said, how much cover would you like? And at first I said, you know, stuck in the 15,000 to do it if I die. You know, covers funeral costs. And the bloke goes, I can get you more than that. She was like, okay, yeah, so alright. She said, I can get you about 100,000 if you die. So as soon as I went to the bloke, yeah, I'll take it. And we set it all up. But when you're covered now, sir, so if you do sadly pass away, your partner gets 100,000. Of course, this one here, how to hire a hitman. 100,000? Oh yeah? You go covered up the stairs, babe. And I'm like, walking down the stairs and right now going, where is she? She's here somewhere, like looking around thinking, any minute now, I'm going to come like back of the head and go down the stairs. She'll be like,
The Psycho theme tune.
She'll be like, that was easy. Some poor bloke's come through the door, hello, hitman. Oh, already done.
You were too long, mate.
But even the bloke on the phone went, I bet she's looking up hitmen now, going, $5,000?
Just to clarify, I'm not.
Nah.
Nothing like that's happening.
But honestly, guys, I would recommend in life, get life insurance, cover yourself, your families and stuff. Best thing I've done. If something happens to me, obviously I'm covered, the family's covered, all the bills are covered, the kids are covered.
The bills are covered. I'm definitely bumping you off.
So what this one doesn't realise, I haven't actually written out who the money goes to yet, so...
Then how are you covered?
Paperwork's still over there, I need to sign it all.
Well, you better get to it.
Wow, technically I am still technically covered, but if I sadly pass away now, the money goes to no one.
Oh, you better
Well, no, it goes to my next of kin, with my mum.
Where's the envelope? Get that paperwork signed. Get it.
She'll be there tonight with a frying pan behind me head, signing the paperwork. Okay. As soon as I finish that scribble, done. Splat on the table. She'll be like, seal that, send it off. Kids, we're going on holiday. There's me looking down from above going, right. Sat on me cloud like that. Yeah, you did. You're down there, man's up here. What?
Sat on your cloud.
Hey, I've got a heaven and God will be like, mate, take the throne. I'll be like, yeah.
Take the throne, right, let's not. There's no blasphemy here.
Hey.
No.
I'd just be too good up there, you know. Me and God just be chilling out, having a chin wag.
Cup of tea,
you know, a couple of bourbons. So, what's new? Nothing, mate. Just sort of pop up in his for a bit, you know. What happened? Missus it around with a frying pan. Standing in Barbados now, look. Like, oh, yeah. Oh, Darren over there had the same problem. Life insurance, bang, frying pan. It's a daily occurrence. But
how is it I finished my plate? Normally I'm the one getting full. Are you getting full? It's bread though, isn't it? It's
yeah,
doughy.
it's dough. But no, honestly guys, take life insurance. That's the best thing you could do. It's one thing I will recommend. You know what? I could sign that paperwork
That
and
was
just put
good.
Bubba's name in there
Yeah.
and all go to work.
She's under 18, she'd have to have power of attorney, which would be her legal guardian, which is me.
I'll put mum's name in it then. I'll leave you a tenner in the will. Look at you, know, pack of smokes. What do you leave it of? £10. She'll be at the funeral going, yeah, cheers, love. Leave me with a pack of
I
fags.
can come to your funeral.
Oh, it's brilliant. We've always said though, right? If I get
Yeah,
a
once
frying
again,
pan,
we are just messing about, by the way.
of course I would never do like that. If I ever get a frying pan, people are going to come around one day, do you have a bit of digging in the garden? Now? Yeah, we just think about putting a pond in. 2 days later, what happened to your pond? We gave up that idea. Big mound and my gangly legs sticking out. I thought, what's that? It's a new feature. It's a warp feature. But no, we always have a laugh like this. We always say to each other, oh, one of these days I'm going to bump you off, you know. Crikey. But I am waiting for the day where I fall down the stairs and someone's at the top of it. Oh no.
I tried to save you.
What? He runs on my back going, I tried to save you. Jesus, what are we doing? I saved him. I helped him down the stairs.
I am stuffed.
Oh, do you know what I'm looking forward to tonight?
Me.
I've got cream egg in there, and I've got cream egg ice cream in there.
Obsessed with Cadbury's cream eggs.
I'm the only one there that likes Cadbury's cream eggs. I crave them. When McDonald's do it, got to go get
The
my
McFlurry.
Oh, yeah. Got to get one of them. I can eat them.
I don't have a sweet tooth, I'm more savoury. Crisp sausage rolls, that's really my downfall.
But you got to be really in the mood, didn't you, for chocolate?
Yeah. Or, you know, the lady time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I need chocolate.
Crikey.
And by lordy, if you don't get me that chocolate,
Oh, no, about that.
the frying pan will come
Oh,
out.
the frying pan starts rising up from the table. Dude, your love on the way now. Run into the shop. See a group of men running in there. It's that time of the week. I'm like, yeah, I know. But no, when my little girl gets to that point in life, I'm going on holiday. I'm out of here. See you later. Daddy's going on holiday for a week. Call me up when you're done. I ain't dealing with that. No. Bad enough for you. Crikey, let them turbo.
Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm going to eat some of my ice cream.
Okay. Wow, it's been a fairly long video, this one, I
I
think.
know, it's been quite a good one, to be fair.
Been good chilling out with you all. And thank you again, Erin, for that question. Plant plenty more in the comments. We're happy to answer them. Not a problem at all.
Ask questions. The more questions, the better. Like, we can go through, on our...
Gives us something to talk about.
Yeah, we can sit here one night flicking through the comments and reading some comments back for people and answering questions. We might do a live video soon, actually. That'd be
Yeah,
cool.
once I get some more people.
Once we hit like 100 subscribers, we'll try and do a live video.
No. 150. Get my subscribers up to 150 and then I'll do a live. Live with Zoe.
I'll do a live at 100 for you. Just sitting there, just...
It's my channel.
I'll just sit with a bag of crisps, just like, hello. Not saying nothing. ASMR.
Anyway, guys, that's it from us tonight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Make sure it's fully coloured in, so you know when we posted a new video.
Also, share it on your Facebook, your social medias and stuff like that for us, please, guys. That'd be much appreciated.
Yeah, because not many people in the UK have heard of mukbangs. Like most of the people I know, what's a mukbang? But yeah,
90% of the people who say it to.
we want to build. Anyway, yes, like I was saying, it's been fun. Thanks, guys. Bye.